Hi there, my name is Lawrence, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove all viruses in Windows 11. Whether you've been to a malicious website or downloaded some suspicious files, removing viruses from your computer protects your personal data and prevents identity theft or financial loss. It also improves system performance by stopping malicious programs from using your computer's resources. Keeping your system virus-free helps prevent file damage, unwanted behavior, and future infections. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove all viruses from your computer for free, using multiple methods. To get started, go into the Windows Start bar and type in Disk Cleanup and click on the search result. This drive selection dialog window will now display. From here, you'll want to select your computer's primary drive. For me, this is the C drive. Now from this Disk Cleanup dialog window, select all of these checkboxes and click on the Cleanup System Files button, and then click on the OK button. This action will delete all temporary files, files in your recycling bin, and other temporary cached files. Now for the next step, we're going to delete all temporary application files from the Windows 11 Temp Folder. This is a common place where malware and viruses can live. To delete these temporary files, go into the Windows Start bar and type in Run and hit the Enter key on your keyboard. Now from this Run dialog window, type in Temp and hit the Enter key. This temp folder will now open up. From here, hold the Shift and A keys on your keyboard and this will select all of the files in this folder. Now click on the Delete button on your keyboard to delete all of these temporary files. Now go back into the Windows Start bar and type in Run and hit the Enter key on your keyboard. From this Run dialog window, type in %temp % and hit the Enter key. This temp folder will now open up. From here, hold the Shift and A keys on your keyboard and this will select all of the files in this folder. Now click on the Delete button on your keyboard to delete all of these temporary files. Now for the next method in this video, we're going to run the built-in Windows Malicious software removal tool. To access and run this tool, go into the Windows Start bar and type in MRT and hit the Enter key on your keyboard. A dialog window will display. Click on the Yes button. The MRT application will now open up. To get started, click on the Next button. From this screen, there are 3 different scan types. Firstly, you have Quick Scan. This is ideal if you'd like to have a quick scan of your computer and you don't have much time. For the second option, you have Full Scan. This option will take much longer than the Quick Scan option, but it will ensure any hidden viruses are identified and removed. Then lastly, we have the Customize Scan. This option allows you to specify a specific folder to be scanned. For today's video, I'm going to select Quick Scan. Now click on the Next button. The scan will now begin, and if any viruses are found, they'll be removed from my computer. Now for the final method, open up your internet browser and type in Malware Bytes free, and hit Enter on your keyboard. Click on the first search result that says Free Antivirus 2025, 100% free and easy install. As a best practice, ensure you're clicking on the malwarebytes.com website and not a malicious website. From the Malware Bytes website, click on the Free Antivirus Download button. The Malware Bytes installer will now download. Open up the installation file from your Downloads folder and click on it to begin the installation. From the installer window, I'm going to click on Install, then Personal, then I'm going to skip the Secure My Browser step. Malware Bytes will now install. Now click on Open Malware Bytes. Once Malware Bytes opens, click on Get Started, then on this screen, Maybe Later, then Continue with Free Trial. Even though this is a free trial, the software will scan your whole computer and remove any viruses you have. Now click on Skip. Now from this page, click on the Scan button and this will begin a full system scan. Please note, the full system scan can take 5 to 10 minutes to complete, but once it's done, all viruses and malware should be removed. And as you can see, a potential virus was found on my computer. Because I'm not sure what this file is, I'm going to quarantine it, which essentially isolates the file to prevent it from spreading and infecting my computer. And it's as easy as that. Removing all viruses from your computer is a fairly simple task to perform. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, then please subscribe.